mabilis yung pulis, mabagal ang internet minsan. So yun po ang pinaka-shortcut na observation natin na naging challenge sa pag-implement ng 5 minutes response time ng ating GPNP.
So what are the measures?
The measures is to keep on trying and finding ways. So just like problem solving, we have to look for solutions. We have to try all possible means like resorting to other application in just to make it happen. We will be connecting to our lower units at any given time. Radio natin, sir, baka kaya ng short range at long range radio. So all possible means just to kung pwede nga yung pasabilis sa mga assets natin, sa mga informants, yun ang gagamitin natin. So hindi mawawala ng paraan yung police para ma-comply natin yung requirement ng ating community. Kasi in short and simple language, ang gusto ng ating GPNP, wag bibiguin yung taong bayan sa pag-deliver ng public service ng Pilipinas lang. For the PNP personnel to become customer-friendly, citizen-friendly, and we have to satisfy the requirements of every citizen that comes before our station, our offices. So we want the PNP personnel to satisfy our clients, our customers.